Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making onion smash burgers. Alright, I'm starting out here with my electric skillet and it's hot. I'm going to add in some olive oil. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Now I have one onion here I sliced thin. I'm going to get that in there and I'm going to allow that to saute in that olive oil just for a minute or so until it starts to soften up. Alright, my onion's gone probably for about 2 minutes or so. It's starting to soften up. Now I'm going to divide this into 4 sections because we're making 4 burgers today. So we're going to divide our onion up to the 4 burgers. And I have my skillet set down on low, medium low. Do this on the stove. Just keep your heat at a decent temperature. You don't want to burn your onions before you get your burgers on them. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit over top of the onions. And I have a little over a pound of ground beef. I'm going to divide this into 4 burger patties. And I'm going to squeeze them out fairly thin. And I'm just going to push that down into the onion. Right now they have my burgers all formed and in the pan. I'm going to season this side with a little more of that seasoning. Turn my skillet up just a hair. And I'm going to allow these to fry for a few minutes till the onions start to caramelize and the burgers get brown on that side. Alright, now that I allow my burgers to fry for a few minutes on that side, I'm going to turn them over. And I'm smushing them down as I go. Get them onions on there because that's the good stuff. And it's alright if your burger starts to separate a little bit. That's just the way they are from smashing them down. And I'm going to allow them to fry on this side till they cook through. Right now that my burger's fried for a few minutes, they're still not cooked all the way through the way that we like them. I'm going to put some cheese on them because we're going to make these smashed onion cheeseburgers. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I'm just using white American. And I'm going to allow these to continue frying, cook through, and melt that cheese on top. Alright, my burgers are done. They're cooked through. The cheese is melted. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and put that on a toasted bun. And I just put some black pepper on it. You can top yours with anything you like. Just with those caramelized onions and a cheese. I think black pepper would be good and simple. Get in here and try that. See how thick that burger is? Burger's tender, moist, cooked through. You get that seasoning, the nice caramelized onions, and that cheese works so well with that. Guys, that's really easy and delicious. Was nothing at all. Alright, there you have it. Onion smash burgers. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.